Hello and welcome back to another cleaning up video. I've already started, as you can see. I'm on the Byron Street Bridge, because I think it's an interesting view. And, well, surprising amount of rubbish really on the bridge and on the road. But I think we're going to tackle Ashwood first today. Do it in reverse order, how I've been doing it recently, because it's just always the worst road. I think I just want to get it out of the way today. So we'll head off there first. I should probably get that out of the river at some point. I think another trolley's been dumped in, so we need to go back in there. Give it a little while longer though, just to see, because I think there's another storm on the way. Let that pass before I go back in the river, because it's only going to get colder. Winter's coming. And just as I was talking about getting things back out of the river again, oh, it looks like the cone that I spent, exhausted so much effort trying to lob up here, has been thrown back in by some kids. I don't know who owns the cone, if it's a council, if it's roadworks or whatever, lost property, I don't know. But obviously it shouldn't be open. There's no lock on it. Obviously no one's going to collect it, so next time I lob it out the river, I've got to put it far away so it don't end up back in the river. It's also not going to end up on the railway, so I'm going to hide it somewhere. Or I could just take it. Oh, that works too, if I wanted a traffic cone at all. taking some of the rubbish off the top because it was flying over everywhere before I carry on doing the rest of my plan. It looks like there's loads of rubbish over there, so I'll collect that as well whilst I'm in here. It's just really unfortunate. Oh, that's got a really weird colour. Don't normally like going back here, so I don't do it very often, but it's quite bad at the moment. This is Sylvan Coach Park. The reason why I don't like doing this is A, there's always a lot of rubbish, which is tedious and annoying, but yeah, that's what I'm doing anyway. B is pee bottles. C is the next step from pee bottles, you can only imagine. Doesn't look like it's that bad in terms of bottles of waste so far, but there is a lot of rubbish. Take a while. We've also got to bear in mind, for a town that has, you know, like a decent tourism industry, this is the gateway to Buxton for a lot of people who don't come by train. A lot of people come by coach, and what a gateway it is, isn't it? Lovely. Sea of concrete covered in litter and recently a burst pipe. Right, we're in the Iceland car park now. It does look like someone has cleaned the wall, so it's not as bad as usual. Which just goes to show there are plenty of other people in Buxton who clean up and who care. It's just I'm the only weirdo who records it. Looks like we're in this back alley again. Not as bad as last time, but still needs doing. So I've just gone and cleaned the springs. Met a lovely couple, and I'm really sorry, it was really rude of me. I didn't ask your names, so I don't know who they were, but they were absolutely lovely. Right, it's McDonald's time. Go clean up the mess around McDonald's. So this is an interesting predicament. I found a bus seat. It was in a bush. I don't know if it was on the recording, if I captured it or not. I think it's from a stagecoach. I don't think it's from High Peak buses, but there is a stagecoach, funnily enough, parked here with no driver in it because he's probably gone to Macca's. That's not quite their seats, is it? I don't recognise that seat. How random! It's just the bottom of a bus seat. So I just confirmed with the stagecoach driver, it's not his seat. So I'm just going to go to Sylvan Coach Park, see if there's a driver on their break, and just hand it to them in their van. See if they'll take it. It's so random. Surely they know they're missing a seat. But yeah, I'm cleaning this hedge. Someone, company, council, McDonald's, I don't know, someone has gone and chopped this hedge down out front of McDonald's, and it has really revealed ancient rubbish, as someone commented on my last video. They're not wrong. There is a lot of rubbish here. I don't think I'll get it all, but try and get a majority, make it just look a little bit nicer. I know station approach is never going to be nice, but okay, to add to the further mystery of the bus seats, I went to a High Peak bus. That bus in particular, those solo Optaires, it's definitely not one of those. And he said it was a stagecoach, which is what I said it was. But the stagecoach driver said it wasn't his, and it definitely wasn't from that bus. So I have a bus seat now. I don't know what to do with it. Right, so I did a round station approach, and we looped back round onto the springs, picked up a few more pieces, and now we're heading up Hardwick to complete our loop for the day. Right, yeah, thank you very much for watching this clean-up video and also the mystery of this bus seat.
Later that night, after having a well-deserved shower, as you could probably tell my hair really needed it, I had a brainwave and I realised it's not a bus seat, it's a train seat. It was in the bush right outside of the train station. It came from one of the northern trains, and so later that night I handed it in to somebody who was in the ticket office, and they said that they'd gone missing from a train last night, and kids have been doing this quite recently. So the mystery is over, and it was returned. Thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi. Thanks once again to that couple for having a chat with me. It was really lovely. And until next time, ta-ra.